Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you my cleaning routine, how I clean my kitchen after a very long day at work. So to start off, I usually just start going in and taking everything off the counter. In the mornings, it gets very messy, and I just try to start putting everything away where it belongs. Now this, I will say, is not my full cleaning routine. This is just after a long day at work. I always have to make sure my kitchen is clean. I use very simple products, and also I have one day a week where I deep clean, like clean the baseboards and the cabinets, and that's usually on either Saturday or Sunday. I typically always start with the dishes first. It just gives me OCD. So I like to use this regular schmegular Dawn soap and a cap full of bleach. I love bleach, you guys. I clean with bleach all the time. I just love the smell of it. So I'm very happy with washing dishes. I do not mind. I now have 2 sinks. If you didn't know, I just moved from an apartment where I had a 1 3-inch sink. So it was just all bad. I really don't use my dishwasher as much, but in this video I am placing these clean dishes in the dishwasher to dry, just so that there's nothing on my countertops. And I usually doesn't take me that long to do dishes, but normally the kids are jumping around watching TV, as you can see. Now, comment down below if when you're done washing dishes you clean the sink as well. I don't know, it's just a habit. Also, comment down below if your mom or if you have a grease cup. If you see that hubby cup behind, that's what that is. So that is just an antibacterial cleanser that I had just been using. I had used it before. It's by Spick and Span. I use it to clean my countertops, as you can see, and my stove. And I also use that for my kitchen table. So that's what you see me doing right now. The kids tend to get the table very, very messy. So that's what I'm doing before I go ahead and go into sweeping. Sweeping has to be a daily thing because with toddlers, it's just, there's crumbs everywhere. From the smallest meal that they have, there's gonna be crumbs. I don't know what they do. Then I go in with my Swiffer Wet Jet, and this is actually just like a wet towelette for like quick mop days when I just need to clean up the kids' mess instead of having to mop. So I really like this. It's really, really convenient, even though I have to use like 2 to get my full kitchen cleaned, like the floor, but I still like it. It's pretty convenient nonetheless. That's basically it as far as cleaning goes. I always have to put in a Scentsy once I'm done. I usually just grab what I have on hand, and right now I have this fall scent called A Thankful Harvest, and I just have it in my Scentsy's burning. I absolutely love the smell. So this is basically how I get my kitchen clean after a long day of working. It works for me. It gets my house spick and span almost. It looks pretty good, and it was really quick. It didn't take me that long at all. I have to clean my kitchen before I cook, you guys. I don't know about you. Comment down below if you like this type of video. Also, as you'll see in a second, I always have a positive quote or something on the refrigerator, but as you can see, I'm stuck on Monday, or like school kid stuff, or like a random bill. But yeah, this is basically it. This is how I get my space cleaned up. Let me know if you guys like to see any more videos like this in the future, and I will definitely put them up for you guys. I liked doing this video. Actually, it's my first one. And to top it all off, I like to light a candle, any one I have on hand. This is one from TJ Maxx, and it's like pumpkin everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.